Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change background of our photo using PiscArt for PC. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened the PicsArt.com, and first of all, I'm going to upload my photo to the PicsArt. I'm going to select Browse Files, and for example, I'm going to change the background of this photo. Okay, I'm going to edit the background. And wait guys, right, and then I'm going to remove the background of this photo. We can select this three dots, select erase, and then we can select the eraser, and I'm going to make it smaller and increase the opacity, then just remove the background like this. Okay, I know it's not that perfect, but that's okay because this is just for an example. And I'm going to click on apply, and after that I'm going to go to the background menu, go to the background, and here you can select the background which are available in PicsArt, or you can also upload your own background. And I'm just going to select this one guys. Okay, as you can see that the background has been changed. And if you want to save the photo, you just need to click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change background using PicsArt for PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!